Hey everyone, this is Zach with 8020 Media, here today with a video on fault code P0141, symptoms, causes, and fixes. Fault code P0141 indicates an issue with the O2 sensor heater circuit on bank 1, sensor 2, or downstream. Now, fault codes P0135, P0155, and P0161 all indicate the same issue with the O2 sensors. They just all indicate different banks and different sensors. Ultimately, this fault code means that the heater circuit inside of the oxygen sensor is taking too long to respond to temperature changes. O2 sensors use this heater circuit to help the oxygen sensors actually get up to operating temperature as quickly as possible, which allows the engine to switch to closed loop fueling rather than open loop fueling. So while this is a very simple part, it can cause a number of issues if you do have problems with the oxygen sensor heating circuit. With that said, moving into some of the symptoms of fault code P0141, these are all very simple since again this fault code does direct you to a very specific component. Not only does it direct you to the oxygen sensor, but more specifically the heater circuit inside of the oxygen sensor. So among those symptoms are the check engine light, a failed emissions test, and potentially poor fuel economy and rich air-fuel ratios. Now it can be hard to notice the worse fuel economy or rich air-fuel ratios unless you're actively monitoring those numbers, and most of us don't for normal everyday driving, or at least don't monitor them enough to actually notice any small changes that may occur. Ultimately, those symptoms come from the engine being stuck in open loop fueling, which can cause the engine to run rich. So with that said, if you are getting fault code P0141 and it's allowing the engine to run rich, you might also get associated fault codes indicating that the air-fuel mixture in your engine is too rich as well. Moving on to the most common causes of fault code P0141, as I alluded to a few moments ago, there are very few common causes for this since this fault code is very specific. The most common cause of this is going to be a faulty O2 sensor heater. This is by far the most common cause and really one that occurs just as those oxygen sensors get older and older and go through more and more heat cycles. Things tend to wear down inside of the oxygen sensors, including the heating and heating circuit. The next most common cause of fault code P0141 is damaged O2 sensor wiring. This one is fairly common as well, but a little bit less common than having an issue with the actual oxygen sensor and actual oxygen sensor heating circuit itself. And then last but not least, a couple very, very rare issues that could potentially trigger fault code P0141 are issues with the engine control unit or the ECU itself, or potentially issues with the catalytic converter. However, these problems don't very often trigger fault code P0141, and if you did have either of those issues, you would likely have a lot of other fault codes as well. So again, very rare issues that could cause P0141, but most commonly it's going to be the O2 sensor and heating circuit itself, or the wiring going to or from the oxygen sensor. So with the common causes and symptoms out of the way, it's time to dive into diagnostics and actually fixing fault code P0141. Now the first step, if you've made it this far and know that you have this fault code, you've likely already done this, and that is using an OBD2 scanner to read the fault code stored in your vehicle's computer. The most important thing here is paying attention to what other fault codes you receive alongside P0141. If this is the only code you're getting, or you're getting that along with another code indicating the air-fuel ratios are too rich, then most often it's going to be the O2 sensor or the wiring itself. However, if you're receiving codes indicating issues with the catalytic converter, then that might point you more so in that direction than to an issue with the O2 sensor itself. So ultimately, reading those codes, seeing what else you might be receiving can help narrow things down and really point you in the right direction for the next diagnostic steps. Now, once you've confirmed that P0141 is the main code and the one that is ultimately causing the issues and check engine light, then it's time to actually actually start looking into things. So second step is just check the basics, locate the oxygen sensor specifically that is having issues, and inspect it for any visual damage you may see, any loose connections, torn wires, anything that just doesn't look right with the oxygen sensor. And if everything looks intact, then it is time for slightly more advanced diagnostics. So moving on to the next step, you will want to test the resistance of the O2 sensor heater terminals. This will really help pinpoint whether it's an issue with the O2 sensor itself, or if it's an issue with the circuitry or wiring surrounding the O2 sensor. So by testing that resistance to the heater terminal, you can really narrow it down and then determine whether you should be replacing that sensor or whether you need to do more testing on the wiring and circuitry around the oxygen sensor. Anyway, guys, that wraps up our video for today. If you appreciated the content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more in the future. Thanks, everyone.